AQA Mathematics Higher Tier Paper 1, non-calculator paper from 2008 November. Question 18, Maths 2A, factorise 2n squared plus 9n plus 9 for 2 marks. I'll show you where the marks are available. And then B, from this answer, hence or otherwise, write 299 as the product of 2 prime factors. So we'll start with part A, and we'll write that out. 2n squared plus 9n plus 9. We need to multiply the coefficient of n squared, which is 2, by the constant, which is 9. 2 9s are 18, and find the factors of 18. That will actually add up to the coefficient of n. So we're looking for 2 factors of 18 that add up to 9. So the first pair of factors of 18 are 1 and 18, but they don't add up to 9. Next pair is 2 and 9, they don't add up to 9. Next pair is 3 and 6, and they do add up to 9. So this is the pair of factors that we're going to be using. We're going to replace 9n now with 3n and 6n. So I'm now going to rewrite the equation, the expression as 2n squared plus 6n, and putting that first, we'll see why in a moment, plus 3n plus 9. Now you'll notice that the 6n plus 3n is the same as 9n. They add up together to make 9, so this is in no way different to this. However, I'm now going to bracket off, and you'll see that I can now factorise each pair of brackets. Now the first pair with the highest common factor of 2n squared and 6n, which is 2n, so that goes outside the brackets, leaving 2n times n, which is 2n squared, plus 2n times 3, which is 6n. And then the second pair, highest common factor is 3, so 3 goes outside the bracket. 3 times n is 3n, plus 3 times 3 is 9. You'll notice the brackets are identical, so that gives us one of the factors. And the other factor, the other pair of factors, are what's left outside. So 2n and plus 3. So 2n plus 3 is the other factor. Okay, so there we have the answer to part A. It says factorise 2n squared plus 9n plus 9. There it is. This line here gets you 1 mark to show that you know how to factorise. The method that we used over there is the best way. It saves a lot of trial and improvement. Anyway, this line will get you 1 mark. The other line, so the answer, of course, gets you the other mark. Now, part B, hence or otherwise, write 299 as the product of 2 prime factors, implies that this or this has something to do with being equal to 299. So let's write it out as it was written in the first instance. So 2n squared plus 9n plus 9 is equal to 299. Now, you might notice that 2n squared plus 9n plus 9 is a little bit like 299. This 9 for sure is the same as that 9. This 9 is 90. So 9 times something is 90. And this 2 is 200. So 2 times something squared is 200. And with not too much work, we can see that n is equal to 10. So n squared, 10 squared is 100. 2 times 100 is 200. 10, 9 times 10 is 90, plus 9, 299. So therefore we found a value for n. Now we're going to use our final part of our answer on part A. We're going to replace the n with 10. So in our factorised version we have 10 plus 3 multiplied by 2 lots of 10, which is 20, plus 3. And then tidied up, that simply gives us 10 plus 3 is 13, multiplied by 20 plus 3, which is 23. And this is your final answer to part B.